Nothing, the smartphone brand, has introduced a new glyph composer in light of its new upcoming phone 2. It can be used to create custom glyph motivated ringtones for the phone 2 and their older phone 1. To launch the same, they partnered with Grammy nominated artist Swedish House Mafia, who have created an exclusive GIF composition and a glyph sound pack. Glyph ringtones are a light and sound show thanks to the customizable lights on the back of the Nothing Phone series, and wait for the Nothing Phone feature to see what we create with it. Waves Audio has made its Key Detector plugin available for download. It is an AI-powered plugin that helps detect the key that any sample, song or mix is in. It's going to be a big help for musicians. Actually, it will be of greater help to non and budding musicians. Proper ear-trained musicians तो सुन के ही की पकड़ लेते हैं. Talking of upcoming musicians, German microphone and recording giant Neumann has added season number 2 to their Neumann Home Studio Academy on YouTube. Now these sessions are free to watch on Neumann's official YouTube channel and provide great insights into the world of mixing, mastering and everything audio to budding musicians and audio engineers in the media industry. Telegram is speculated to get a Stories like feature in early July. Their CEO, Pavel Durov, posted the same, saying that Telegram has listened to its users and is bringing the even though common yet much requested feature to the platform. But they will do the feature in their own Telegram way, with major focus on privacy, a compact UI, dual camera support and many such features to be expected.